Welcome to Butter Tarot, and Happy New Year's, Aries. This is your monthly forecast for the month of January 2020. When I was meditating over your cards, what came up was you were reconnecting with the depth of your soul. And that might have brought up a lot of things towards the end of the year of 2019. It might have made you on unsure grounds, but it's all part of the clearing out. It's all something that was, divinely guided, that needed to happen. It's like you were doing a clearing of sorts. Let's go through your cards. At the bottom of the deck, you had the Hanged Man. So a major arcana in the bottom of the deck. You have another major arcana, the Lover's card in reverse. You have the Art card upright. You have Four of Cups. You have the Ace of Swords in reverse. You have the Ace of Cups. You have the Eight of Wands, and the last card is the Prince of Discs. Yes, so basically your cards are telling me that there was a vital transformation that was going on in the last couple of months, and now it's you trying to find your new ground in the new information, it's like you're learning to live a better way for yourself. You're learning to be more connected to yourself, but that also means that you have to make different decisions and take different actions, and it's you finding comfort in these things. We have here the Lover's cards in reverse. This can mean a lot of different things. I felt it was just love is a little bit in the background. You are either with your soulmate, and now you can focus on other things where your focus might have been on your love in the past. Now it is about creating, and creating from within, and from within you will create bigger things than you ever have had inspired to do before. And it's going to be, it's going to give you more gain and an easier way of living than you thought. So whatever idea is going to come to fruition in January, regarding your employment and regarding what to do and your passion and stuff, it's this is the time to trust it. You have alchemy in your cards. There is a swiftness to change. There is luck wanting to be presented to you. And the thing that your cards are saying is, are you ready to trust your intuition, the epiphanies you have, or are you too connected to just your rational mind? So there's an issue of trusting yourself on a deeper level, trusting that you can live off your passion, your dream. So certain things will be happening, and it is, this has to do, for some of you, this has to do with your talent, that you haven't had enough trust in your own talent. Other people can see it. Other people have maybe used you in a certain way, and 2020 won't allow it. So 2020 is you benefiting from your own talent. 2020 is you also being forced to trust in yourself on a deeper level, and to look at your own demons of how you put yourself down, and what image, your self-image is also up in play. Once you adjust your image, once you have small revelations regarding yourself, who you are, where the goals that you want to obtain, and you move them, you expand, you allow yourself to expand so you actually match your own energy field. Then I see great things. We're going to shift the Ace of Wands. I see a deeper clarity come in for yourself. Brilliant ideas that you finally will trust in, where you before just had these brilliant ideas and then did them in a diminished version. 2020 is going to allow you to do those great ideas, like, your great visions. You're a visionary, and you haven't dared take that step, or you haven't believed in yourself and you thought it was others that didn't give you the opportunities. But now it's time for you to take that step. This is also, the rockiness you felt the last 3 months or so has to do with a clearing out. Your disappointments have shapen you in a certain way, and now it's time to take off the frustration cape and express yourself in gratitude, and swim in that beautiful vision that you have, and allow people to come in with amazing opportunities, and allow yourself to be fulfilled by that. So we are also turning over and allowing new opportunities to come in that you haven't quite seen before, because there were so many things going on in your own head, you weren't aware of the opportunities being presented to you. So this consciousness is going to shift very quickly for you. And it's going to be so that you are going to be able to finally be yourself. You see the Prince of Discs there. He's completely naked. He's comfortable with that great bull in being the driving force. Nobody dares to step out into that bull. This has something to do with you finally recognizing who you truly are, and whatever turmoil or whatever that is still wherever there's a little residue of turmoil or whatever comes up for you, January is saying, look at it, but look at where you're going and recognize who you are. And you are going to go far. You are finally going to be aligned with yourself. Great opportunities are going to come in. There is a great chance of meeting love this month for those of you who are single. Sorry. There's a great chance of you connecting with a soulmate, somebody that is maybe opposite of who you are. There is, you are going to evolve to a different level. So allow the things, allow the residue, allow the inner turmoil to be transmuted into you connecting with yourself at a deeper level, and you really realizing what has been going on and what has blocked you. You are just pure raw talent. We have here now at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Devil in reverse. This is saying you've always been extremely talented. Now it's time for you to harvest that talent. And now it's time for you to acknowledge who you are and not discriminate because you're so different from others. You've let yourself be distracted for way too long. Your cards are saying 2020 is safe for you to emerge with that great talent that you have. And you will be unstoppable. We're going to shift this card as well. So, Aries, that was your reading for January 2020. Let me know what you think below in the comments down below. And I wish you a great month, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care. Bye.